The sympathetic division has some unique innervations that um, the parasympathetic nervous system does not. So what that means is that there are some effectors that are stimulated by the sympathetic nervous system that are not stimulated by the sympathetic that are not stimulated by the parasympathetic. So one of these is the adrenal glands. So, this is one of the reasons why the sympathetic division can have such a long lasting effect on your physiology. Say, for example, you wake up in the middle of the night having a nightmare and it takes you a really long time to calm down. The reason could possibly be is that the adrenal glands have released norepinephrine into your blood, and that is going to have a longer lasting effect on your heart rate and your breathing rate and just your ability to go back to sleep, for example. So it also innervates the blood vessels. So the sympathetic nervous system does not. And so this creates what is called vasomotor tone. And what this means is that the blood vessels are always under a state of partial contraction. And that is important. So the sympathetic nervous system can actually cause the blood vessels to dilate or to contract depending upon the number of action potentials that are sent to that smooth muscle. We also have sweat glands and the arrector pili. We mentioned this. This is the goosebumps. This is the hairs in your skin that stand on end. Sweat glands are only innervated by the sympathetic division, and so that can cause you to sweat. So you probably have experienced having nervous sweat when you are in your fight or flight mode. You have a lot of norepinephrine in your body, but also obviously during exercise as a form of thermoregulation. So these are some unique innervations of the sympathetic division.